In this video, I'll show you how to summarize books with Claude AI quickly and easily. This is a great way to understand key ideas from a book without reading the entire text. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll gather the text from the book that I want Claude to summarize. This could be text from a digital book, a document, or a PDF. If the book is in a PDF or document file, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the screen and click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll select Upload File, then choose the book file from my computer and click Open. Once the file uploads and appears in the message area, I'll click inside the chat box and type a prompt such as, "Please summarize this book," and highlight the key ideas. If I only want a summary of a specific chapter, I can also ask Claude to summarize a particular section or chapter. After typing the prompt, I'll click the Send button to submit the request. Claude will then analyze the text from the book and generate a summary that highlights the main concepts, ideas, and important points. If I want more details, I can also ask Claude to create bullet points, explain the themes, or provide a shorter summary, and that's it. I've successfully summarized a book using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.